If your Nissan Murano's Apple CarPlay is refusing to launch, don't worry. Most of the time, the fix takes less than 2 minutes. Statistically, over 85% of connection issues in Nissans are caused by third-party cables that lack proper data certification. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your maps and music back on the screen. Start by force restarting both your iPhone and the Nissan Connect head unit to clear any temporary software glitches. Sometimes iOS security settings like USB restricted mode or active VPNs can prevent the Murano from seeing your device. Check your physical connections for pocket lint or cable fraying, which are the most common hardware culprits. Depending on your Murano's trim level, your issue might be a physical port failure or a wireless frequency conflict. A simple cable swap fixes the majority of Murano connection errors, with head unit resets taking care of the rest. If you're still stuck, perform a deep reset by deleting the pairing on both the phone and the car before reconnecting. Keep these simple items on hand to quickly rule out hardware failure before calling a mechanic. Remember that software updates are crucial. A quick iOS update often solves persistent handshake issues automatically. If these steps helped you get connected, hit the like button and subscribe for more Nissan troubleshooting tips.